In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to redirect your Squarespace domain to another website. Firstly, it is important that you sign into your Squarespace account. You'll find the login page on the Squarespace website. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the main interface of your account. From there, you need to move to the Settings section. You do this by navigating the main menu, looking for the options, and finding the one that says Settings. Once you've found it, click on it. Now you will find the Domains option listed among the many setting categories. Next, you'll want to click on the Domains option, which will present a list of domains associated with your Squarespace account. From the list of available domains, choose the exact domain you'd like to redirect to another website. Once you've made your selection, a Settings menu will appear for that specific domain. In this menu, find and click on the Website option. Now you should scroll down to find the Domain Forwarding Rules section. Click on the Add Rule button located in this section. At this point, you need to enter the subdomain. To forward the root domain, which could be something like example.com, you have to enter the @ symbol. If you want to forward a specific subdomain such as blog.example.com, you simply need to enter blog. After you've keyed in the subdomain, it's time to fill in the destination URL. This is the complete URL you wish to redirect your domain to. For example, it could be www.yournewwebsite.com. However, remember not to include HTTP or HTTPS in your destination URL. Now, you should set the redirect type. You have two choices. Either choose Permanent 301, which notifies search engines that your page has permanently moved to another URL, or you could opt for Temporary 302. This is largely used for short-term redirects. Additionally, keep the Forwarding over SSL setting on as it increases the security of your domain. At this stage, you must choose a Path Forwarding option. The first is Maintain Paths, which keeps the same URL paths. For example, example.com/page will redirect to newsite.com/page. The second option is Remove Paths. Using this option means all URLs will redirect to the main destination URL. For instance, example.com/page will redirect to newsite.com. Finally, to complete the process, click on the Save button. At this point, you have successfully set up a redirect from your Squarespace domain to a different website. Congratulations! Now all your domain traffic will be directed to your new preferred destination.